Now, India's premier trade fair for organic and sustainable food, Biofach India 2026, kicked off at India Exposition Mart Limited in Greater Noida. The three-day expo, organized by APIDA along with Nuremberg Messe, is being held alongside Natural Expo India and Millets India. Manipur Organic Mission Agency MoMA is also participating in the expo and has set up a dedicated pavilion to represent the state's rich organic heritage. Products from Manipur on display include GI and indigenous crops such as GI and indigenous crops, other local spices such as umorok, ginger, turmeric, fruits such as passion fruit, pineapple, kachai lemon, along with value-added products made by SHGs and FPOs from the state. Officials from MoMA said the platform will help Manipur's organic farmers and entrepreneurs connect with national buyers, exporters, and retail chains and promote the state's organic by tradition identity. The fair has brought together around 150 stalls from 10 to 12 states of India.